Hey! Dustin and Matt and Nate and Brett.
Yep.
And everyone watching at the grad assembly. What's up? We decided to make a movie for the grad assembly, a video. And apparently the theme for it this year was Saved by the Bell. Is this true? Matt?
Oh yeah, man. They came out, it's probably gonna be pretty good, but
Saved by the Bell's a good theme, but they could have had something better like Full House or like The Cosby Show.
The Cosby, yeah.
Or like Family Matters.
Family Matters.
It's a rare condition this day and age to read any good news on the newspaper page. And love and tradition of the grand design, some people say, is even harder to find. Well, then there must be some magic clue inside these gentle walls, 'cause all I see is a tower of dreams, real love bursting out of every scene. Bigger love of the family.
One of the most important things in your high school career, at least once you get into like grade 11 and 12, is your spare, what you should do on it.
What are you gonna do to have fun?
Yeah.
It's a free period.
So we'd like to show you some stuff that we do on spare to have fun.
There's just some ideas.
Girls just want to have fun. Cindy Lauper. One of the funnest things to do is what we're doing right now. Driving around, listening to music. Only doing the speed limit. Good music. Got it! Hey, how's it going, man? We're just doing interviews for our school grad assembly. How was your final year at CHSS?
I was never there.
Oh, alright, keep going.
I've been gone for a month. I've been drunk since I left.
No, we can't say drunk. Also,
74.
you can go tanning and have a pool party.
Think on me.
Taping?
Oh my god.
Alright, pool party.
Do it slow.
Yes.
Ready? Okay.
Whoa! Whoa!
Nikki 9.
Nikki 9.
Some people like doing Nikki 9 doors. We like doing Nikki 1 door nine times. Steph Seabach. 2 Steph Seabach. You know, she is the first victim, and really anyone could be next.
So watch yourself.
Watch your back. Watch your door, really.
Yeah.
Watch out.
Okay,
Go, hurry, quick. Nikki 9 it. Nikki. Yeah, okay. Go. Oh, we got you so good. Do it.
Go.
Hurry up, Matt. Run, hurry.
Quick. She doesn't see
Go,
me yet.
go. Let's do it again. No one expects a Nikki to take that. Nick Dale! Nick Dale!
Sweet.
Say it, Nick. Nikki either. Nikki the 9 doors. Oh, we got it so good. Okay, go back and do it again 9 times.
Quick.
You gotta do it 9 times.
Just knock 9
What
times.
is this, 3, 4? You gotta go back, Fisher. One more. 5 times. 5, 6,
coming.
7,
Hurry up,
8, 9.
keep coming.
Hurry. Oh! Oh, we got you again. You keep falling for it. Oh. I think someone's knocking at your door. You've only done 7 times. We need 9. Should I go in the garage, shake it up?
Yeah, do it.
Alright, okay, good idea. Switch it up a bit here, fellas.
This is the worst idea ever.
Then go to the front, right after. Front door, quick, front. This is 9. Oh! Oh, run! Get in! Get in! Go! Go! She saw us. Oh, we got you good. That was 9 times, Nikki. Nikki 9 doors. Oh, we got her.
No, I didn't even get a knock.
No, that counts. That was the best one. Nikki, how's your 9 doors? Nick Dale!